Hi, how are you doing? I'm going to do some more Hoppy Days. I might do record it in a bit. I don't know. But I'm also going to start this one as well because I want to give a bit more back to the people who are upcoming and don't know as much as I do. I know a lot. I'm not a famous DJ. I'm I'm known in the industry, and I've learned a lot over the 20 years I've been in this industry, from DJing, promoting, what else we're doing? Artist management, record labels, producing, remixing, blah 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 blah. So I'm just going to start a new series called Just the Tip. And this is going to be the first one, so it's going to be a little longer, but I'm going to try and keep them short, like a minute, maybe two. But my first tip in this industry to anyone is be nice. Just be nice. Don't be a dick. It's as simple as that. You will have more longevity, and you'll be able to work with a lot of people, and people want to work with you. Just be nice. Simple as that, really. I will be back with more of Just the Tip.